Hey everybody, it's Matt Stark here with Windermere Real Estate. I just wanted to record a quick video. We're done here with 2024. The year is pretty much wrapped up here now, and we are squarely looking at 2025 in the market. Going into that though, I wanted to just share a little bit of information with you about 2024. What are the final numbers that we're going to be seeing here in terms of activity, sales, etc.? And also, what does that look like going forward in 2025? What's kind of the preview here as we get into January and into the first quarter? So I wrote down some quick notes here. Just a couple of the highlights for 2024. Average sale price overall was up 6.9%. So, it's not 20% like it was in 2022, but still, that is a really solid number, especially knowing that rates were quite a bit higher in the first half of 2024. So that was kind of interesting for me to see. The listing price to sale price ratio, meaning the price that a home gets listed for versus what it eventually sells for, was 101%. So some homes were still selling for less or having to do a price reduction to sell, but there was also enough homes that sold for over their asking price to actually push that number up over 100%. So that really tells me that overall in 2024, we had a really, really stable market in terms of pricing. There was no substantial declines. If anything, like we're seeing in the average sale price, it actually went up. Days on market for the year is right around that 20 to 21 days average. So less than 3 weeks is what is taking the average home to actually sell here. We're finishing up the year with just under 2 months worth of inventory. That's going to be pretty typical for this time of the year. So overall, a really strong year. Rates came down. That helped out a lot. Moving forward here into 2025, what can we really expect? I think there's a few things going into the year. Rates most likely will stay the same, possibly go down. That could bring more buyers into the market. We're also probably going to see a pretty active buyer pool coming in here in the first quarter before we see a lot more sellers. So there's most likely going to be an imbalance here between supply and demand for the first quarter. Typically, we're going to see more sellers start to come on the market in April, May, and June before school gets out. So for anybody that's looking to potentially sell in 2025, there might be an opportunity here in this January, February, March timeframe to get out in front of those sellers that are coming on a little bit later, but also to have more buyers than inventory in the market. And we know what that does for prices. That really stabilizes things and could actually, I think, have some upside coming into 2025. So, if you have any questions about the market, if we're ever, curious about, how much your home would sell for, how long that would take, please feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to chat and have a quick conversation with you. Hope you're doing well. Happy New Year. Thanks a lot.